Hey guys, welcome to the 31st video in this tutorial series on structured query language. In this video I will be dealing with the deletion of records from a table. Okay, so there are two ways of deletion of records. First, deletion of single record set, and the second one is deletion of the whole record set. So let's see each of them one by one. First of all, their syntax. So for deleting a record, only a single record set from a table, the syntax is delete from table name where condition. Okay, and for deleting all the records from the table, there are two syntax. There are two statements. The first one is truncate and the second one is delete. Now the truncate statement syntax is truncate table name, and the delete statement syntax is delete from table name. Now you can see one thing, for deleting a single record set, also the syntax or the statement used is delete, and for deleting all the records the statement is also delete. Only the difference is, in deleting a single record you have to put forth a condition, only then the record that satisfies that condition will be deleted. But in case of deletion of all the records, no condition is required, and that is why all the records will be deleted as soon as this query is executed. Okay, so let's execute them. Now this was the employee table with which I was working for the last few videos. Now I will delete first of all a single record, and then I will delete all the records. Okay, now so first I will delete a single record. Now delete, then from, then table name, that is employee, and then I will put forth a condition. So where the condition is age equal to 42, that is the last record will be deleted. Okay, let's see. So it has been executed. Now let's check. See, the record with the age 42 has been deleted. Okay, now I will execute the truncate query, the query for the truncate statement that will delete all the records in this table. So truncate table and then the table name, that is employee. Okay, so it has been, the records has been deleted. Let's check it out. So select star from employee. See, empty set. Empty set means there are no records in the table. Empty set doesn't mean that there is no table by the name employee. If it was so, then the our SQL server would have displayed that sample9 dot employee doesn't exist. Okay, but it has shown empty set, which means all the records has been deleted. Now next, what I will show you is the deletion of all the records using the delete statement. For that I will use the table employee1. Okay, let's see whether it is there or not. Yes, it is there. So I will show you the delete statement for deleting all the records in this table. So delete from table name is employee1. Okay, now let's see whether the records have been deleted or not. So select star from employee 1. C, again empty set. Okay, so our records have been deleted from both the tables. And so this was all for this video, guys. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like the videos and share them. Thank you.